This is my new exercise equipment. No gas, no electricity. It's all me. Ah. Oh yeah. This thing works good. I know, and I'm in the art room. My scissors are always orange because they're Fiskars. So I bought this just because I thought, you know, it's gotta be sharp. It's got to be. And it is, it's awesome. This thing has made mowing my lawn a joy. There's no noise. The only noise is me. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And you know what I like about this thing? Is it spits out all the junk out front. It's a front junk spitter. It doesn't spit it all out the back. If you've got a bag back here, it means your thing is spitting everything on your shoes and in your face. This thing is clever enough to scoop it out front. It's awesome.